Ever wondered how to turn your free time into earnings? Have you considered making money through surveys, offers, and more? Allow us to introduce you to the world of online earning, a realm where your input directly translates into income. One such platform offering these opportunities is Earnut, a legitimate get-paid-to site that rewards your activities with real cash. From answering surveys to completing offers, your free time can become a goldmine. Stick around, and we'll show you how you can start earning with Earnut. Getting started with Earnut is quite simple. All it takes is a few clicks, and you're on your way to earning rewards. You can easily sign up by completing the registration form on the site, or if you prefer, you can opt for a quicker sign-up using your Google, Facebook, or Steam account. Once registered, you gain instant access to the member dashboard, allowing you to begin earning without delay. Now, let's talk about how you can earn with Earnut. The site offers various opportunities for its users. One of the most popular ways is by answering surveys. These surveys come from different industries, so there's always something interesting to participate in. Next, you can also earn by completing offers. These offers can range from signing up for a newsletter, trying out a new app or service, to making a purchase. But the fun doesn't stop there. Earnut also offers a game called Spin the Wheel. It's a chance game where you can win amounts ranging up to $250. It's a fun and exciting way to earn some extra cash. Besides these, Earnut acknowledges its most active members. They have a monthly leaderboard contest where you can win up to $250 if you earn the most from the site at the end of the month. With so many opportunities to earn, it's easy to see why many are choosing Earnut. Now you might be wondering, how do I get my earnings? Well, Earnut offers flexibility and convenience when it comes to cashing out your hard-earned rewards. One of the most popular options is via PayPal. Simply link your PayPal account and transfer your earnings directly into it. But that's not all. You see, Earnut is also keeping up with the digital age. You can convert your earnings into different cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a Bitcoin enthusiast, a Litecoin lover, or an Ethereum evangelist, Earnut has got you covered. Just select your preferred cryptocurrency, and your earnings will be converted at the current market rate. It's all about providing you with options that suit your needs and preferences. So, whether you're saving for a rainy day, investing in digital currencies, or just want some extra pocket money, Earnut is your go-to platform. So, there you have it, a simple and effective way to earn online with Earnut. Why not give it a try? Before you go off to start earning, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with others. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!